Losing your stuff? That problem just got a serious upgrade. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Apple AirTag, second generation, Apple's newest smart tracker with enhanced precision finding, improved tracking range, a louder speaker, and seamless Find My integration. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Apple AirTag, second generation. User manual. Product features. Powered by Apple's upgraded ultra-wideband chip, precision finding provides faster and more accurate directions to nearby items. Distance and directional guidance help you quickly locate misplaced belongings, making everyday tracking more reliable and effortless. The AirTag works seamlessly with Apple's Find My network, allowing millions of Apple devices to help locate your lost item securely and anonymously. Whether it's left nearby or miles away, you can view its last known location and receive updates through the Find My app. The improved built-in speaker produces a louder, clearer sound, making it easier to find items hidden under cushions, inside bags, or in other hard-to-reach places. Simply trigger a sound from the Find My app and follow the audio to recover your belongings quickly. Small, lightweight, and built to go wherever you do, the AirTag easily attaches to keys, backpacks, luggage, and other everyday essentials. Its durable construction and long-lasting replaceable battery provide dependable tracking with minimal maintenance. Technical specifications. How to use. Pull out the battery tab to activate the AirTag, then bring it close to your compatible iPhone or iPad. A setup prompt will appear automatically. Tap Connect, assign a name or choose an item category, and link it to your Apple ID through the Find My app. Attach the AirTag to your keys, bag, luggage, or other personal belongings using a compatible accessory. Open the Find My app anytime to view its location. Use precision finding on supported iPhones for accurate directions, or play a sound to help locate it nearby. Safety tips. Keep away from small children. Replace the battery safely. Avoid extreme temperatures. Prevent water damage. Handle with care. Use responsibly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.